Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word exciting. Let's practice with me. Exciting.
This is exciting.
The news is exciting. That meeting was exciting. I feel exciting today.
Exciting projects are coming.
This is an exciting opportunity. The presentation was exciting. Exciting ideas help us grow. She shared exciting news. Exciting times are ahead. We have exciting plans. The event was exciting indeed. Exciting challenges make us better. This is an exciting day. Exciting results came today. I found an exciting solution. Exciting stories inspire me. The project is exciting and new. Exciting news spreads fast. We enjoy exciting work. Exciting moments last long. This is an exciting challenge. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share English Audio Dict. See you again in tomorrow's video.